Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will be learning on how we can deactivate Facebook account without deactivating our Messenger account. So let's jump right onto it. Firstly, locate the Facebook app in your mobile device and open it. And once your app has been opened, click on the three lines button which is located on the top right corner of your screen. Then you must find the option that says Setting and Privacy and open it. Now click on the setting option. Now simply tap on the account center. Now we can see different options which are used to perform different other tasks, but for our today's tutorial, tap on the option saying personal details. Simply tap on the account ownership and control option. After you tap on it, you get two options and select the one that says deactivation or deletion. Now simply tap on the profile you want to deactivate. After that, you can either deactivate the account or just delete it completely. For today's tutorial, let's tap on deactivating the account first and tap on continue. For your security, firstly you have to type the password of your account in order to continue. After you enter your password, simply tap on the continue. Among these different options, select one option and tap on continue. Now you can get the option of deactivating the Facebook but continue using the Messenger app. And after tapping on it, simply click on deactivate my account. As we can see, our Facebook account has been deactivated, but when we go on and search for Messenger app and open it, we can see that our Messenger account is still running. So this is the process how you can deactivate your Facebook account without deactivating your Messenger account. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will meet you on the next video.